In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily delete images on your Chromebook device to free up some storage space, and therefore it will allow you to store more files in the future. Now, I think I want to let you know that when I'm recording this video, there is no dedicated or built-in feature in Chromebook that allows you to sort all the files in the device based on the type. Like, you cannot just filter for image file or video file. It is not possible, at least not in the moment. But at least we can delete multiple files in bulk, so we don't have to manually delete images one at a time. We can just select all of them and then send them to the trash bin and then remove it permanently from the device. Here's how you can do it. First, go to the Files menu. You can do so by going to the Launcher menu and then click Files. And after that, I'm going to remove some images from the downloads folder. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see here, I have several files, several screenshots, and I'm going to remove all of them. But I'm going to show you how you can delete an image from the device. You can click on an image and then you can either click this trash icon to send the item to the trash, or you can also just right click and then click move to trash. It's basically the same thing. I'm going to click on this option. And by the way, I think it is worth mentioning that if you are using the English UK, it might be called bin instead of trash, but they are the same thing. I'm going to click move to trash, and now this file has been sent to the trash folder. I'm going to cover about how you can remove the files from the trash folder, but right now let's focus on the deletion process. Another way you can delete an image by using the gallery. You can double click or basically open the image, and you will see this gallery app that reveal the picture, and then you can click this trash icon, which again will do the same thing. It will send the file to the trash folder, and if you find this method more convenient, then you can definitely use it. I'm going to click delete. Now, how about deleting all the images at once? So in order to do that, we have to select all the items that we want to remove. There are multiple ways where you can select the item. You can use the keyboard shortcut Control and A, or you can also use this selection. Select all. It will do the same thing. It will select all the files from the folder that you are opening right now. Or you can also use the click and drag method. You can create some sort of I don't know the name, the technical name of this, but basically it's kind of selecting all the files within the square or rectangular that you just created. It is almost like Control A, but if you prefer to use that method, then it will do the same thing. But if you, let's say you just want to delete this and then this and then this, how do you actually do that? Well, you can press and hold the Control key on the keyboard, and then you want to click on each file that you want to select. Click and then click again and then click again. Now all these files are selected, and if I click the trash folder, the trash icon, will send the item to the trash folder, and I will delete the remaining files now. All right, let's send that to the trash folder. And now, in order to remove the items completely from the device, you have to navigate to the trash folder. And as you can see, all the files that I just removed are stored temporarily here, because if I'm not doing anything, these files will be automatically deleted in the next 30 days. But you can always do it now. And you can click empty trash now, and you can click delete forever, and therefore these screenshots, these images will be removed from the device. And that's how you can delete images on your Chromebook device. I hope you found this tutorial video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.